Hi students, how are you all the 7th class students? I hope you have watched the video, that is unit 1, reading A, the town mouse and the country mouse, part 1. Many of you have asked doubts and sent through WhatsApp. It's very fine that you are watching all these videos and you are engaging in the lessons and school works. Yesterday or in my last class, we completed up to where are the lights. So to give brief what happened from the beginning, the town mouse was ill and town mouse wanted to go to countryside and take rest for a week. Then the town mouse came to country mouse or countryside. The country mouse welcomed it because they both were cousins. Afterwards, the town mouse wanted to enjoy the luxuries that are being enjoyed in town by the town mouse. But to contrast, the country doesn't have the facilities that the town mouse had in the town. So the town mouse disliked all the facilities which are in the country. It wanted to have some lemon juice or orange juice, but it did not. It wanted to have some ice cold water, but it did not. It wanted to sleep on the bed, but it did not, because these facilities are not owned by the country mouse or they are not found in the countryside. So it was the country mouse told the town mouse to go and sleep on the ground. Then it has nothing to do, so it went and slept on the ground. Suddenly it remembered something, that our country is everything quiet, because in a town everything is noisy, whereas contrast to that or opposite to that, country has all the opposite qualities. It means country is very peaceful and quiet, it has greenery and all. So the town mouse asked, "Cousin, where are the lights? Where are the buses, cars, lorries, radios and televisions? Where are the noise? Or where is the noise?" It asked the country mouse. Follow. Students, please take your textbooks and follow from where I read. "This is how it is in the country," his cousin replied. "It's always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today." So the country mouse replied, "Cousin, this is how it is in the country. Country everything is quiet, and it is quieter than today. Sometimes it is quieter. Today it is only quiet, but after some time it is quieter than today. It means very peaceful some days. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district." My grandfather says that our village is the quietest village that is among the villages in our district. "Oh, is it? The country is a strange place," said the town mouse. "Oh, is it?" the country mouse said, and thought that it is a strange place. Country is a strange place. But he said to himself, "I don't think I like this place." Because seeing all these opposite things, the country mouse told himself that he did not like the country. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm to search for the food. So next morning, as soon as he got up in the morning, the town mouse wanted to have breakfast. But the town mouse found that the breakfast was not ready. So his cousin, the town mouse went and asked his cousin. Then his cousin told that we had to go to the nearby farm to search for the food, because they don't have breakfast facility and all. They randomly go to the farm and search for the food. That's why country mouse said that we had to go and find the nearby farm. We are sure to find something there," he said, "a nice piece of root or a tender bit of sugar cane." "Cousin, town mouse, we can go to the nearby farm. There we can find a nice piece of or a juicy root or a tender bit of sugar cane we can get. We can enjoy that," the country mouse said. But the town mouse had enough. "Thank you, cousin," he said, "but I think I'll catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. So the town mouse said to himself, enough, enough is enough. I don't like this country place at all. So it went and told the cousin, country mouse, thank you cousin, but I think I'll catch and go to the town next by catching the next train, because I feel that I have forgotten something. So I had to get back to the town, and went and told the town mouse. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. Here is the letter. Okay, the town mouse said bye and went to the town, and the country mouse stayed in that country. Sometimes later, after some days, country mouse wrote to his cousin. Who is his cousin? The town mouse. Country mouse wrote to the town mouse. So here is the letter. Follow the letter. Mouse hole, mouse country, 22nd March 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin, country mouse. To the town mouse, kitchen cupboard, mouse town. So country mouse was little bit considered, because it is living in the country. Country people, those who are living in the villages, will have some feelings towards their loved ones. Okay, in that same way, the country mouse was worried about the town mouse health. So it wrote a letter, cousin, I hope you are well and I am worried about you. So I would like to visit you once. Like this, wrote the country mouse and sent it to that. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is a telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. So the town mouse got the letter and read the letter. Then town mouse was in a hurry, because town life is very busy. So it was busy. So it sent a telegram writing that, overjoyed, I read your letter and I am overjoyed to receive you. Come soon, thank you, town mouse. It sent the telegram. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise of the lights. After some days, country mouse came to the town mouse. This country mouse is very much surprised by seeing the lights, okay, all the cars, noise and all. Why are the lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. He asked means he there, country mouse. Country mouse asked, cousin, why are the lights even are even in the middle of the night? This is the town, his cousin replied. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day. So the town mouse replied, cousin, this is called a town. This is town like this only. Okay, there are lights on even in the middle of the night and middle of the day also. And what is this dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the country mouse. Dreadful. Dreadful means unpleasant. Okay, unpleasant or very bad. Okay, so cousin, what is this dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the country mouse. Country mouse asked the town mouse, what is this unpleasant noise every time? It is continuing every time. That is the traffic, the town mouse replied. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars and airplanes. So the town mouse replied, cousin, this is the traffic. Okay, so that noise is made by buses, lorries and trains, cars and aeroplanes. So don't worry about that. But the country mouse did not like it at all. All the noise has made my headache. He said, could I have some water to drink? So by listening to all this noise, the country mouse got a headache, because it did not like the noise made by the lorries, cars, trains, aeroplanes, because it was habituated in the village life, in country life. Country is very peaceful life, but suddenly it came to town, it is almost everything different. So it got a headache. It asked the town mouse, cousin, could I have some water? It asked only just a plain water. Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what is there for you. Ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Okay. Here there is a contrast. When the town mouse asked in the countryside, the country mouse said you just have some water or coconut water. But when the country mouse came to the town, the town mouse said proudly that why only water, cousin? You can have lemonade, ice cold lemonade or orange juice. Which one do you want? It asked proudly. Just some water, asked the country mouse. So country mouse is somewhat simple. So that it just wanted only some water. Some water and a little bit of food. I want just some water and a little bit of food. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. So why are you afraid, or why are you lacking back, cousin? I have plenty of food. Okay, we have plenty of food. The town mouse said proudly it said. You can eat as much as you like. You can take and eat as much as you want. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of a kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. Okay, sure, it was sure that it was the town mouse was staying at the back of the kitchen cupboard. Okay, where is the place of this town mouse? At the back of the kitchen cupboard. At the back of the kitchen cupboard. Whereas, where is the place of this country mouse? Mouse hole. Okay, so country mouse stays in mouse hole, and the town mouse lives at the back of the kitchen cupboard. Okay, sure enough, because it is staying at the back of the kitchen cupboard, so there is plenty of food in the kitchen. So that's why the town mouse said proudly, eat, cousin, as much as you like, because there we have plenty. Next, delicious. One more word is there, delicious. Delicious means tasty. Delicious means tasty. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. More tasty, delicious food it had. There was bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate, and a huge piece of lovely cheese. Okay, the contents are the things that they at the back of the kitchen are. There was bread, jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolates, and huge piece of lovely cheese. All these are eaten by the town, those who are staying in the town, because they are habituated to the modern or advanced life. Whereas when the town mouse offered the food to the when the country mouse offered the food to town mouse, it gave only a root or a nice piece of or a tender bit of sugar cane only it gave. So there is a contrast, because town mouse gave only a root. Town mouse gave jam, bread, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate, lovely huge piece of lively cheese it gave. Whereas country mouse gave only a root and a tender bit of sugar cane. So students, we stop it here, and you read this lesson. You read from there up to where I stop, and make a note. You underline the hard words or the difficult words that you don't know, and send it through me through WhatsApp, so that I can give you the meanings of the hard words. And also you prepare on your own some short answers by reading the lesson, so that you can write in the form of passage questions. Okay students, thank you. Have a good day.